Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the recipe of super spongy hot milk cake. Very easy, delicious, fluffy cake recipe. It's very easy to make and not too much time taking. First of all, I have to make the mold ready with the greasing with oil and butter paper. Then I'm going to take 2 eggs and I will beat them with the help of beater for 1 minute. I'm going to beat them for 1 minute so that it will become more pale and fluffy eggs. As you can see, it's more fluffy and pale eggs now. Now I'm going to add half cup of sugar. Now I'm going to mix it little bit more beat to make it more fluffy. It's not time taking, it's just 1.5 minute for whole mixing. Now it's become very perfect consistency, more fluffy and pale here. Now I'm going to 1/4 cup oil. You can take it butter, whatever you want, oil or butter. Now mix it. Now it's 1 cup of whole purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Now I'm going to sieve them. Now mix very gently. I'm going to mixing them very gently to make it better. Now I'm going to add, I'm going to take the half cup of full cream milk and 1 tablespoon of butter into it. I'm going to just mix it up and make it a little bit hotter because it's hot milk cake. So we are going to add the hot milk. So it's mixing very nicely. Now I'm going to put them in the batter, milk and butter. This is the game changer. Now I'm going to mix it with the whisker very nicely and gently in one direction. Now it's 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. You can add vanilla extract or vanilla essence, whatever you have. Now I'm going to put in the mold, all the batter. It's very easy, not time taking. It's just 10 to 15 minutes to mix it up, all the ingredients. Now garnish with some almonds, some cashew, some nuts. I have already preheated the oven on 180 degree for 30 minutes. I bake it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, as you guys can see the result, it's awesome. It looks very delicious and tasty, and it was. Now let's peel off the butter paper. It's very delicious, looking very nice. Look at the color and texture. It's so spongy, hot milk cake. As you can see the result, now it's ready to eat and serve. As you can see, it's not time taking, it's very easy. Even anyone can cook it and make it. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.